औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As you know, we are solving examples on some of n terms of arithmetic progression. We have solved many of examples, but so far we have not used the third formula of Sn, that is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Now in this video, let us make use of that formula and solve few of the examples. The first example is find the sum of first 100 positive integers. So here 100 is the value of n. So let us solve this example. n is equal to 100, then yes, 100 is equals to question mark. Now, as I told you, the formula is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. This formula is to be utilized here. Therefore, yes, 100 is equal to value of n is 100. Replace n by 100. 100 multiplied by n plus 1, that is 100 plus 1 will be 101 divided by 2. So, if you divide 100 by 2, you will be getting 50, and the product of 50 and 101 is nothing but 5050. So 5050 is nothing but the sum of first 100 positive integers. So in the same way, the next example is find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. So here the value of n will be 1000 comma yes, and 1000 will be question mark. All right, formula is sigma n is equal to, you may call Sn here in this particular formula, you may call it as sigma n also. Sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Therefore sigma 1000 will be equaling to 1000 multiplied by 1000 plus 1, 1001 divided by 2. If you divide 1000 by 2, you will be getting 500. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 zeros as they are. Now 500 multiplied by 1001 will be 500. So this is nothing but 5,500,000. So 5,500,000 is the sum of first 1000 positive integers. So in this way, we apply the third formula Sn or sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2 to solve such type of examples. Now the third example here is find the sum of first 45 natural numbers. Now n is equal to 45 comma sigma 45 is equal to question mark. Sigma 45 is equal to 45 multiplied by 45 plus 1 will be 46 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 23s are 46, and the product of 45 and 23 you will be getting 1035. So 1035 is the sum of first 45 counting numbers or natural numbers, or you may say positive integers. So one more example, find the sum of first 42 even numbers. So here you have to write the arithmetic progression, and the arithmetic progression or arithmetic series you may call 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on plus 42. This is the required arithmetic series. Now here all these numbers are even numbers, positive even numbers, and here 2 is common in all the numbers. If you take 2 as a common factor, the next step will be 1 plus 2 into bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 21, and this is nothing but 2 into sigma 21 or S21, summation of 21 numbers. So here you can apply the same formula to solve this example. So the next step will be 2 multiplied by, let us apply Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2 formula. So 21 multiplied by 22 divided by 2. Now these two will be cancelling, and the product of 21 and 22 will be 462. So 462 will be the sum of first 42 even numbers. So in this way, let us solve one more example of same type. I will write that example here. Let us say find the sum of first 60 even numbers. Example number 5. Okay, first 60 even numbers. Now let us write the arithmetic series: 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on plus 60. All right, now 2 take outside the bracket as a common factor. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, plus so on, 2 30s are 60. Now this is nothing but 2 into summation of 30. All right, and this equals to 2 multiplied by 30 into 31, n into n plus 1, 30 into 31 upon 2, 2 got cancelled. Though 31s are 30, carry 3, 33s are 90 plus 3, 93, 933 is the sum of all even numbers, or first 60 even numbers, all first 60 even numbers. So in this way, this third formula can be applied to find the sum of the given numbers. Now example number 6. So this will be homework for you. Find, or I will write directly, n is equal to say 70 and sigma 70 is equal to question mark. Okay, now example number 7. This is also homework for you. N is equal to say 500 and sigma 500 is equal to question mark. Example number 8. This is also homework. N is equal to say 42 and sigma 42 is equal to question mark. So these three examples you solve yourself. So in this way, the third formula, that is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2, can be applied to find the sum of the given numbers in arithmetic progression. Thank you very much.